This black and gold ceiling fan is very sleek and modern looking, and we used it to replace the builder grade ceiling fan that was in my bedroom. So far, I'm thrilled with how it works. It has really great airflow, and there are 5 different speeds to pick from for the fan. And then the light itself has 2 different temperatures. It's an LED light, so you can either do kind of a bright white daylight type of light or a more warm yellow light. It has 3 blades, and they are made of a thin wood. And then most everything else on the ceiling fan is made of metal, except for the light cover, which is plastic. It was very well packaged for shipping, and it comes in many different parts, so it does require assembly, so keep that in mind before going to install. It of course comes with the instructions, which are easy to follow, and it took my husband about 2.5 hours to install the ceiling fan. I love that it comes with a remote, and it even has this little mounting bracket so that you can mount the remote somewhere in your room, and you can use the remote to control the fan and the light, of course, and you can also dim the light, which I thought was really nice. You can also reverse the direction of the blades or set it to a 1 hour or 4 hour timer. This fan is definitely very well made, so I can recommend it.